What I'm going to reveal to you in the next 60 seconds might flip your whole perspective on juicing. I know you love those vibrant juices, and while they seem like a health miracle, there's a hidden downside most people overlook. Juicing is not healthy, at least not the way you're doing it right now. Let me explain. By juicing, you're not just extracting vitamins and antioxidants, you're also stripping away fiber. And fiber isn't just a bystander. It plays a crucial role in how your body handles sugar. In whole fruits, fiber slows down the absorption of fructose, ensuring that the sugar enters your bloodstream gradually. Without it, you end up sending a surge of fructose directly into your system. Now, I know you love the natural sweetness of fruit, but here's where it gets interesting. While fructose from fruit isn't as harmful as the high fructose corn syrup found in sodas, it's still an overload your body doesn't really need. Your cells primarily use glucose for energy since it's easily metabolized almost everywhere in your body. Fructose, on the other hand, is handled by only one organ, your liver. When a flood of fructose hits, like from a freshly squeezed orange juice or soft drink, your liver gets overwhelmed. This can lead to the increased levels of triglycerides, uric acid, and free radicals. A high level of triglycerides may contribute to fatty liver disease, hardening of the arteries, or thickening of the artery walls, arteriosclerosis, which increases the risk of stroke, heart attack, and heart disease. It's a subtle shift from the healthy, balanced nutrition you'd expect from fruit to a scenario where your body is processing a sugar overload. Understanding this helps you see why the balance of fiber and sugar in whole fruits is so important for your overall health. So, what can you do to still enjoy your juice while keeping your gut and liver happy? Well, one thing you can do is cut down on fruit. Instead of packing your juice with tons of fruit, use just enough to give it a pleasant taste. For instance, I usually stick to 1 or 2 apples paired with half a lemon. This keeps the fructose level in check. Another thing is to consider adding more vegetables to your mix. They naturally have lower fructose and more fiber, which helps maintain that slow, steady sugar release. A third and a better alternative is to mix in some fiber into your juices. Experiment with adding fiber boosters to your juice. A spoonful of chia seeds, flax seeds, or even a bit of psyllium husk can help supplement the missing fiber. So, the thing that everyone gets wrong about juicing is the assumption that more juice always means more health. In reality, by removing the fiber, you're not only losing a vital nutrient, but also causing a rapid fructose spike that stresses your liver. Next time you prepare your juice, remember to balance your ingredients to keep that sugar in check. If you found this insight helpful, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tips on living your best active vegan life.